How to make X account private. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make your Twitter account private. After you open your Twitter app like this now you can tap on this profile at the top left side. Under your profile, scroll to down, go to this settings and support. Now tap on this settings and privacy. In this section, now scroll to down, go to this privacy and safety. So in this section now tap on this first option, audience and tagging. So in this section now make sure you turn on this option and turn on this one. So now if I tap on this back again, back, so now tap on your profile and see. So tap on you, as you can see now my profile now has a lock on it. As you can see now my Twitter account is private. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.